All right, so I've been slack in terms of doing videos on the summer carnival festival flavors of Oreos, and I decided I was going to do lemonade, but hopefully I'm not going to get attacked by a dog. One of these is lemonade, one of these is hot honey cornbread. So I feel like it's a gamble. I can see it. I can argue the point either way, but we're going to go for the darker yellow. And I'm remembering, oh no, I got it open. Remembering now I had problems opening these. So I'm going, that's lemonade. And it's good. It's not the white cookie. There's a downy woodpecker chirping in my ear. So this one's a good one. Cheers.